a bitch is hot, okay? It is hot outside.
Spiritual ginger.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? What it do, baby? What it do, baby? Okay, so today I'm bringing to you guys a get ready with me video. Now, I need to put a little disclaimer out there. This video is gonna be in two parts, because one part, like the beginning of the video, I did record a few weeks ago actually, and then when I was editing it, I saw that some of the files were damaged, so I only got like a few clips from that day, and I really like those clips, so I just want to insert them in this video. So my hair looks completely different. I'm in a completely different setting, and yeah, so just so you guys are aware of that. But this is like a short little clip. Other than that, everything else is today. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and I'm also going to be featuring some new scents that I got sent from DOSSIER perfumes. Okay, so this video had to be recorded in two different parts just because I kind of accidentally damaged and lost some of the footage from the first time I filmed this video. But it's alright, it's alright. I still got some of the footage while I'm applying the perfume and telling you guys a little bit about it, like the top notes, middle notes, base notes, all that stuff, and all that jazz, and price and everything. So I will insert that clip first. So shout out to DOSSIER for sponsoring today's video and working with your girl. And the rest of the video will be me getting ready, and then I will be applying these perfumes today as well. So I'm smelling the same, I just don't look the same. That's pretty much it. Okay.
Okay, so the first perfume I'm going to show you guys is the Florential Vanilla. I will list all the top notes, middle notes, and base notes on the screen for you guys if you're interested. I just want to let you guys know that all of the DOSSIER perfumes are 1.7 fluid ounces, which is equivalent to 50 milliliters. So the Florential Vanilla is a perfume that I will probably mostly use at nighttime because it's more like a heavier smell, it's a heavier scent, and it is literally the sister or the twin to the YSL Black Opium. I have the YSL Black Opium and they smell exactly the same. The DOSSIER one is just a cheaper alternative. The wear might not be the same. It's not as long wearing as the Black Opium, but the size of this fits perfectly in your purse, and I do not mind, you know, respraying myself throughout the day. I don't mind that at all. So the next one is the Florential Coconut. Y'all already know everything with coconut. You got me. You got my coins. Just take all my money. Child, listen. This one is perfect for the summertime. Perfect for the summertime. Perfect as a daytime perfume, and also as a transition to the nighttime. And this one, child, this is the perfect dupe for the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. And I know everybody been raving about it lately. I will leave all the direct links and discount codes in the description box down below. Shout out to DOSSIER again for sponsoring this video.
Okay, so I'm starting with a completely bare face. I'm going to try something out. I guess something new for me at least. I'm gonna combine a whole bunch of different primers because I am hot. Our girl is sweating today. So I'm gonna layer like a few primers. So I'm taking the Pixie Skin Treats H2O skin drink. I featured this on my channel before, if not on my Instagram, but I used to really love this. I think it was last summer when they came out with it. Focus, camera, focus. There we go. I'm going to apply this on my face first, and actually before anything I want to show y'all my nails. Y'all girl got her nails done. Okay, like how cute are these claws? I love this skin drink. Like, it feels so nice and smooth on the skin. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to apply the Pop Beauty Be Gone Cica Stick. Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. Clarifying Cica Stick. I mentioned this in one of my most recent videos that I forgot. Ew, I need to remove this hair tie, because why is this hair tie on my hand? I mentioned this product on one of my recent videos that I tried this and I fell automatically in love with it. This is not sponsored or anything. I just really love the product. It feels so cool and like nice on the skin. Now, I don't know if this is meant to be used under makeup or not, but I've been using it under my makeup, and I would probably recommend it most on your no makeup days, but under your makeup, it feels kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. And I just take my fingers and do what it do, okay? So next, I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Blur Spray. I like to use it as a primer because as a setting spray, it's trash. I'm not gonna lie, as a setting spray, it just opens up your pores. And I thought it was my skin at first. But girl, no, I tried this on clients. I've tried this on myself multiple times. I've tried it with different products because maybe it was just the primer. I mean, maybe it's just the setting spray and the foundation or products that are not compatible. Girl, no. As a setting spray, this Milk Blur Spray, trash. As a primer, it'll pass, okay? It'll pass. So the next primer I'm going to take is the No Pore Blem Essence Primer. Well, Prime Essence from Touch in Sol. I know I've used this on my channel multiple times before. It's like one of my favorite drugstore primers, and I just highly recommend. So I'm just taking a little bit. I'm not taking too much because we already primed with like 3 different products. So yeah, this is the Ofra Concealer Dip Corrector Wheel in Deep. I don't really know, y'all get it. This, ever since I got it like a few months ago, I just haven't been able to put it down. Like, I love these concealers. Obviously, I don't really use, you know, the lightest shades, but these two and the one in the middle, fire. Well, I'm going to use it to prime my eyelids. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, concealer as eyeshadow primer is absolutely not the best option, especially if you already have oily lids. So just keep that in mind. Just because I use concealer as a primer doesn't mean that's the best option. I use it as a primer because this makeup is gonna come. First of all, I don't really have super oily lids, so I can get away with foundation. I mean, with concealer. That's number one. And then number two is I already know how to work with my concealers to make them work as a primer. And it took me like quite a bit, like trial and error type of thing. Like, you know, like I already tried different ways to make it work, so I just already know how it works. I already know which eyeshadows work with concealers, which eyeshadows need an actual eyeshadow primer. So it's just about knowing your face, knowing your products, and like, you know, having the time to kind of work with it. So but I do say don't do as I do, just do as I say, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. So this is the thing, I am being super lazy and I don't want to get up to get my eyeshadow palettes that are over there. So I'm gonna take my Ofra Cosmetics Squad Blush and Bronzer Duo. By the way, I now have a discount code with Ofra Cosmetics. Shout out to them. I will have it on the screen. I also have it in the description box down below. It is XO IANDRA, so you can, you know, save some coins on all your purchases on ofracosmetics.com. So then, yeah, no. So I'm just taking a blending brush and I'm just going to put my bronzer shade all over my crease. This was a bit darker than I thought on my eyes, huh? Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 350. I was supposed to use the Bobbi Brown, but I felt like it was a little bit too, kind of like too green on my skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one, and I'm just going to put some in the back of my hand, and I put way too fucking much. Done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and take my little powder brush. Setting powder brush. I'm just gonna set my under eyes, and I'm not doing anything differently. I'm just setting it with a brush. Tap, 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 move, tap. That's all I'm doing. So I'm gonna take my bronzer from the Ofra Cosmetics Squad blush bronzer duo compact, and this is one of my new favorite brushes. This is the Sigma contour slash blush brush. This is the F53 Air. I used to love this. Not that I used to love it. These are my two favorite contour or bronzing brushes. Today I'm just gonna go and use the Sigma one. I don't know why, but I'm just feeling the Sigma one right now. I haven't contoured my face in a while. Like the way I used to contour my face, I haven't done that in a minute, because I've just been bronzing and I've been loving it. I can't complain. So then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. So one thing I've noticed about this Squad bronzer, I don't like to contour my nose with the bronzer that's in this compact, because it's just a little bit too dark. I love it for my face, but for my nose it's a little bit too harsh. So you guys know I love the Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer. That's a perfect bronzer to like contour my nose. But I also love the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot setting powder in deep dark. I love this to contour my nose because it's almost like my skin tone, but just like a tad bit darker. Like you can see the contour, but it's not exaggerating. Like it's more like you could build this up. It's easier to build it up and like have a nice contour than putting on the other one, which is too dark, and not being able to like tone it down properly and make it look nice. Because one thing is building it up, and you can always tone it down, but it's not always when you tone it down it actually looks nice. So I'm just going to start filling in my brows. I went ahead and as you guys saw, I did my liner. I used the Ofra Verified Liquid Liner in black. I don't know if they have any other shades, but that's the one that I used. And I also went ahead and changed my t-shirt into like an actual top. So I'm just gonna put my lashes on, and then we will proceed. So for my highlighter today, I'm actually going to take my MAC Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm just going to highlight here. So tell me why. I just realized that I lost my MAC my cork lip liner, and I feel like I'm just that type of person that I lose everything that I use on the regular. Like, why? I feel like I keep losing stuff that I love all the time, especially when it comes to makeup, and it's like, why? I'm using Chestnut from MAC, by the way, to line my lips. So for example, like, I don't know how many Chestnut lip liners I bought in like my lifetime. It's just too many. It's too many, and I know it's gonna be a lot more. And girl, listen. I be like, but why? Why I keep losing them? I don't understand. Like, I just don't understand. I don't know how I do it or why I do it. It's just, I don't know. But that's the reason why I always have backups, especially like of, you know, lip liners and stuff that I like. Like, I have, this is like a tiny Chestnut that I normally keep in my purse, but I think I have like 3 backups of Chestnut lip liner in my kit, 3 or 4, I'm pretty sure. But with cork, I purchased cork and strip down just to see and like test it, how I liked it. Strip down is too light on my skin tone, in Cork, it took me like a good couple of months. Like it took me like a few months for me to even get into the whole Cork wave. Like since I purchased it like a long time ago. But from when I purchased it until me actually getting to use it or like falling in love with it, it took me like a minute. I didn't really like it was just sitting there in my kit. So I got a new package in the mail yesterday from Sigma Beauty. So you open it up and this is the packaging. It's really cute, really nice. You open it up and then you have like the representation is real cute. I like it. This is not a review or anything. Well, it is, but not really. So this says nutrient rich, hydrating, and high shine finish. And this is actually, it just launched June 15 and today's June 17, so 2 days ago. So it's now available whenever this video goes up. So I am probably going to try the one that's called Tint, which is the Neutral Nude, which is this one right here. So we're gonna take it out. The packaging is stunning though. Oh my god, I love the applicator. The applicator is like super big. I don't know if you guys can see that. Focus, camera, focus. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, I love it. Look how big it is. It's gonna put that. I had to like keep in mind though, it's a lip oil, not a lip gloss, but I'm gonna treat it as a gloss though. It's not giving me much of a color. I mean, wait, hold on. It's giving me color, but because it's so close to my skin tone, like my actual lip shade, not my skin tone, but my lip shade, my natural lip color, I guess that's why I can't really see it. So this is the final look, you guys. I haven't done a wing liner in a minute. I kind of low-key thought I forgot how to do it, but clearly your girl don't forget. Okay. So to finish off this look, or like to finish off me, I will go in and end this video exactly how I started it, featuring the Dossier perfumes. So I have the Florential Vanilla, and then I also have the Florential Coconut scent. I told you guys in the beginning of the video everything you needed to know about these different scents, but I want to say that my absolute favorite is probably going to be the Florential Coconut if I had to pick one, just because I love, first of all, everything that has to do with coconut. Just the name itself was just catchy, and it's such a like summery scent. In my opinion, it's a super summery scent, like spring summer vibes. I will probably not really rock this during the winter time, but when it's warm outside, I'll probably rock it for sure. Sorry, my hair is like annoying the shit out of me right now. I'm just gonna put that on my wrist and then I tap. I don't like to rub because it changes the smell of the perfume. And then I do a little bit here, a little bit, and then that's pretty much it. By the way, about the coconut one, the Florential Coconut, every time I wear this, everybody keeps telling me like, oh my god, it's such a you smell. Like it's such a IANDRA type of scent, because these are the type of scents that I love. And yeah, I definitely do recommend, if you want a cheaper alternative to a lot of designer perfumes, they also have a whole bunch on their website, and they also have some original scents that are their original scents, and they're fire too. Okay, they're fire too. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this little get ready with me. So yeah, don't forget to rate this video, comment down below your thoughts and opinion. Let me know if you guys tried the Dossier perfumes before and which one is your favorite if you have. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time your girl posts a new video. Okay. Love you guys so much. Bye.